Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. These are the ingredients and then the cake pans we are using for today's cookies and cream cake. It includes all-purpose flour here, white vinegar, some butter, the cornstarch, the baking powder, the baking soda, some oil, butter, salt. This is our sugar, our castor sugar, eggs. We'll be using some for cupcakes. So we'll use this cupcake paper here, our buttermilk, and then our Oreo biscuit here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. These are the ingredients by adding in our butter and then the castor sugar and some oil. Then we cream it for some minutes like we do for most of our vanilla cakes. This is just a vanilla cake with a bit of twist and then some cookies. In the butter, we are going to add in the castor sugar and then some oil. And then we mix on low speed and then we increase from time to time for about 10 minutes. So this is where we got to currently. It is halfway done. You can see it's still stiff. We want it to be able to release from the spatula without me shaking it like this. So that's what we are going to do. I'm going to clear the sides and then make sure everything is being mixed properly. At this point, we can add in our eggs. It's as fluffy and as airy as possible. So we add in. So we add in the first egg. Very fluffy and super delicious indeed. So this is what we've got into currently. I'm taking this off, remove it like this, and then we place it here. Then I'll remove the machine and then place it behind me. So this is it. I'm going to transfer it from here into the big bowl. We are adding in 3/4 of the milk. sifting in the flour. So we mix it in. So currently we are going to add in the cookies here into our cake mix. So I'll pour them from the wrappers into this bowl here, crush them, and then we add them in. I'll show you. So this is our cake batter. I've added in the vanilla essence. We are going to add in our Oreos. And then we mix it in gradually until it's incorporated into the whole cake batter nicely. So these are our cookies and cream cake we've made. They've cooled down completely. These are the cupcake versions, and then this is the full-size cake version, as you can see. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I would like you to try every recipe that we post on the channel and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification icon with the inscription all, so that every Thursday and Sunday if we post new videos, you will find it. And we post short videos from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us to grow this channel. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.